I'm looking around the thrift store, I come across this beautiful little scroll wrought iron table with a glass top. I don't know if you can make that out. $7.99. And yeah, this could work.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, I'll be participating in the $10 Thrift Challenge hosted by Kimberly Davis. I found this beautiful little scroll designed table in the thrift store, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover paint and primer in Canyon Black, which I already had on hand. And then we're going to clean the glass top and put it all together. So stay tuned so you can see the final look.
Here you can see the price of the table. So I just wanted to give this glass a very thorough cleaning. On this area where I'm going to put my little table, I thought I would also change my curtains just to give it a new look. Perfect. Huh?
Now let me bring you in for that closer look. This small scroll design side table is a perfect fit for this corner of my dining room. I had my plants sitting on the floor and I wanted to get some type of a plant stand. So when I saw this, I thought it would be perfect.
I may add a little bit more decor to this area, but for all intents and purposes, this project is now completed. I hope you like what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration to do some thrift flips in your home. Thank you to the hosts of this collab. Please stop by their channels and show them some love. And all the other creators who have participated in this collab.